Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hello, my name is Syed. I am student of grade 8, Ideal Indian School, Doha, Qatar. Today we are here with a new question number 3 from exercise 12.1, the chapter Exponents and Powers. So this question also has 5 sub questions. In this video, we are going to solve the first 2 sub questions. So the first sub question is 3 raised to the power 0 plus 4 minus 1 plus 4 minus 1 into 2 raised to the power 2 as it is. Now here we have an exponent which is 0, which has the value of 0. So first write the steps here. 3 raised to the power 0 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 in bracket, then into 2 square. Now 2 raised to the power 2. Now here the power here is 0. So what we are going to do, the property which we use like this, a raised to the power 0 which is equal to 1. So here what we are going to do first, now this property we are going to use a raised to the power 0 which is equal to 1. So we are going to use this property which will be 1 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 into 2 raised to the power 2. Now here, for getting the positive 1, we will write it in our old formula, which is a raised to the power n is equals to 1 by a raised to the power n. That was minus, then it will become plus. So 1, then here 4. So plus 1 by 4 raised to the power 1. Then here we are going to use denominator. Then now here this will be in bracket into 2 raised to the power. Now here we have squared, so 2 into 2. We will multiply 2 times in bracket this also. Now first we are going to solve this here. Now first what we have to do, we have to find the LCM of these two fractions. Now we have 1 here, the power 1 here, so we are going to forget about the 1 which we got here. Now in our chapter algebraic expressions and identities, what we used to do, if we used to get the value of 1 like this, a raised to the power 1, we used to write it as a, as it is. Then here also we are going to do the same thing. Now so here we will write it 4 raised to the 4 as it is. Then now let's find the LCM. Now LCM I'm going to find it here. So 1 into 1. Now here 1 and 4. So so 4 we have the value like the LCM, the lowest common multiple here is 4 and 1. So we have to find the LCM of both. Now 4 and 1. Now 1 into 4 equals 4 and 4 into 1 equals 4. So let's multiply 1 into 1, we will multiply by 4, which is equal to 4 by 4. Then here 1 by 2 or 1 by 4. Then 1 by 4 into 1 into 1, which is equal to 1 by 4 as it is. Then here we get the answer as 4 by 4 plus 1 by 4 in bracket. And when we write this, we have already multiplied. So 2 into 2 equals 4. Now let's multiply, let's add them. Now first 4 plus 1, 5. So this will be 5 by 4. Now here we have into 4. Now into 4, how we will write it? We have to multiply it in the fractions. So we will write it as 4 by 1. Now here we have two same, we will cross multiply it or cross divide it. So this will be, we can cut them both. We can divide 4 and 4. So we'll get 1 here and 1 here. So 1 into, so the final answer, so the final answer here, 5 by 1. 5 by 1 into 1 by 1. Now 1 by 1, if we multiply it like so many times, so 5 into 1 equals 5, then 1 into 1, 5, 1 equal. Then this is the answer for the first one. I will erase this and go for the second one. Now this is the question number 2 and the last question of this video. Now this question asks us to that 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 4 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 2. Now here in each term we have the power in the exponent in negative sign. So here what we will do, now here what we will do, this 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power minus 1. Now here each of them has the power in negative sign. So what we will do, now here we will use the old property. 1 by 2 raised to the power 1 into 1 by 4 raised to the power 1 in bracket, then divided by, again we will use the property here also, divided by 1 by 2 raised to the power 2. Now which property we used here was a raised to the power minus n equals 1 by a raised to the power n. Now this is the property which we used here. Now here what we are going to do, first we will forget about these powers as we used to write in our algebraic problems, like a raised to the power 1 equals a as it is. Then we will use the same method here also. So 1 into 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, which is, now 1 into 1 equals 1 as it is, then 2 into 4 equals 8. Now here divided by 1 by 2 raised to the power 2, divided by 1 by 2. Now here 2 into 2, 2 times 2 equals, 2 into 2, multiply them, 2 into 2 equals 4. Now here we have the division sign here. Now division sign, what is the main rule of division in fractions? Now do the multiplication rule, convert this division into the multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second fraction. So let's apply it. So 1 by 8 into 4 by 1. Now this is the property which we use here. Now let's multiply them. Now we have two like terms here. So 8 and 4 we can cut them off. So 1 and 2. Now here we got the answer as 1 by 2 into 1 by 1, which is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. So the last answer, the answer of the second question is 1 by 2. This is the answer for the second one. So before I end this video, I would like to clarify that the purpose of making these videos is first to improve myself, and as I mentioned many times that my passion project is to eliminate the fear of maths from the heart of every student and child. So I would like to request you again to subscribe my YouTube channel and comment for my improvement, to improve me more, and comment me how I can make these videos more interesting and better. Thank you. We will meet in our next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.